each his own. I can't tell a man how to live him life. But SkilliBeng page, I follow be a Batman, be a transformer. Yeah.
Money then pussy. I work and suffer and walk from Bumbuckler to Stone Hill, go straight down half a tree, go work and get some money, pussy, and stop bad mind.
About the accident that happened this morning, that involved Maureen Nelson, the sister of Adidja Palmer.
Welcome back to another episode of Vybz and Insight. When on the it's a boss, not the building with another episode, another vlog, and another trending topic as it pertains to dancehall and the Jamaican culture. So we see where Vybz Kartel sister, she met into a car accident, and Madsus came out and gave us some detail as it pertains to her and the car accident. But we don't know how critical the injury is, if it is critical or if it's stable where she will pull through or whatever. But he was giving us some details to what went down in the accident, but me have some clippings with him stating, say, yo, she good or whatever, but him just give him regards to her. But some other topics also where we see where Candy Wow, you know, the influencer Candy Wow, she's being detained by the PICA, you know, the Passport Immigration Agency custody. So them have her in a custody, and she's telling them that she's an Indian resident, so she's stating that she's not a Jamaican. I don't know how true that be, but you know, Jamaicans are the craziest people, them with creativity and, you know, the sham and so forth. But me have the clippings of a share with you, and me have a clippings also with Valiant came out and a cuss. I don't know who and him in a things, but in my cuss I say, yo, people, I wish dead pan him or some specific person, to the way him come out and attack, and I say them I wish dead Panama and so forth. But I have that, and I have also Spice, which is Spice just up in her African clothes. So I guess she's going to the other side, you know, she'll go back to her motherland, African region and so forth. So we see her in her clothes, in her pink. It's the first me ever see Spice in her pink, you know, Spice love her blue, but we see Spice in her pink, and she rep her thing, and she also rock the pink color. The pink color look good on her. But on another topic, we see where Moada stating that he is going to drop new music this Friday. And the new music that he will be dropping, it's with a music video also. But it's with an African sensation. The African sensation, the lady that her name is Wendy Shaw. Wendy Shaw is an African musician, a big musician in Africa. So Moada has a song coming out with her Friday. We definitely looking out to see what it's gonna be, because you see Moada drop a song, God Nah Sleep, and it rack up over 1.8 million views, which is a good look for know that it's a guy, it's a man where never dip on the scene for a while, and him just come back and drop a song and it shell on the place. So we are gonna jump into that. Make sure you stick around, don't move a muscle. And as I say, if you not do nothing, make sure say you not have the time of the day for watch the vlog and watch it out to the fullest, because you know our YouTube thing work. One, the vlogs them go up in the algorithm and the vlogs them get the trend. So make we just jump right into the topic.
Grand Rising, Gaza Nation, Grand Rising, love and respect to all, and give thanks for life. God is the greatest. I'm just here this morning just to acknowledge about the accident that happened this morning, that involved Maureen Nelson, the sister of Adidja Palmer. The same sister that he said teach him how to read. She was the principal for Cumberland High School, which he is also running for the presidency of the Teacher Association, something like that. That is happening right now with her. But this morning she got into a car accident by evading from bad drive from a taxi man. She ended up hitting someone else. Other car collided in her car, you know. So at the same time, she's in the hospital now. She's okay. They are running some tests to see if she have any broken bones, anything happening inside. You know, her face is a bit swollen and stuff. She was on her way to do an interview at TVJ about her journey and and to endorse herself. In even the other day, the Star, she was in the Star. She made front page on the Star, and it was saying not just Kartel's sister. You know, yes. So she's running for presidency for the teacher associations, and it's a very good look. But that just so it set more while when you're on your journey, you know, some obstacle always coming out of the way, because as she ready to get the interview, what they should do, I put in all of the work. I go country, Mobi, Trelawney, all bow, she go, the far parish them. And then right as she get the interview now, the day when she get the interview, you know, after she put in all of the work and she sleepless night them, late coming in, today she get another accident.
So yeah, people, that a mad sis I make it known and I make it clear about his friend, or I would say family member, because you know him say Vybz Kartel, I'm father, but a Vybz Kartel sister, and she met into an accident, but as he stated that she good, but you know she face swell up and so forth. But on to the next topic, people. So dancehall artist Moada was seen with the African sensation Wendy Shaw, and you know him have new music a premiere with him and her, and music video also. And clearly them a state that one is a hit song, you know, cause I see Ricky Chupa in the Chupa Chalupa in the comment section, and him say, yo, a hit song, this big song and so forth. But let's listen to what go on in the clippings that I make on the ear how it go.
Whatever. Yeah?
So we can have so we have like one on him like that.
Prefer him. We get both of them in process. Maybe we could come back a bit.
So the gully gotta do a photo shoot with the African sensation Wendy Shaw, and definitely it's a good look for him and her, you know. Gully God is a man like that, you know. His music is a soulful type of music. He's a soulful guy, I would say. So he always sing some good music, and definitely the African culture love him and rate him as a musician. So it's a good look for Moada, and we definitely look out to see our ear where he put out Friday, because you know, as I say, the song where him just released the other day, it's a massive hit song, and we see it a creep and we see it a grow, so it's a good look. So as stated in an article, social media personality Carisha Candy Wow Brown has been remanded in custody following her appearance in the St. Catherine Parish Court on an assault charge. The charge stemmed from an alleged attack on a woman at her stall in Old Harbour on April 13. Brown pleaded not guilty and informed the court that she does not have a legal representation. She is expected to secure a lawyer by her next court date on May 16th. During the proceedings, Candy Wow claimed to be an Irish national and stated that she has changed her name via deed poll. As a result, the Passport Immigration Citizenship Agency PICA has been tasked with verifying her nationality, especially since she has reportedly used different names. A PICA representative assured the court that a thorough investigation will be conducted. So, people, that's Candy Wow, you know, and I know a lot of us know about her from them long time. The Candy Wow we not have no front teeth. my bad for really, I say stuff like that. But as I say, Candy Wow, you know, she in a predicament situation right now, and she need to get herself out tight, and she need to get herself first a lawyer. So on to the next topic, people. So we see Spice come out in our pink, and people watch the video and tell me what you guys think. If it's the first time you guys have seen Spice in a pink or change of color clothes, because you know Spice love our blue ear and our blue clothes. But watch a clip here and tell me what you guys think about it.
One thing I want to say to you very quickly, you're not on my level. You're not in my league. I'm in a different category, yo. I'm a different kind of woman. You're waka. Hey, I beg.
So as I say, people, Spice a rep for the African culture, and definitely she sound like a true African. And you know we're all from African descent and so forth, but Spice a rep it to the fullest, and it's a good look, and my life to see that, you know. A lot of us need to be more like that, humorous and stuff like that, and repping the culture also, mad. So, there are some rumors going around that SkilliBeng willfully followed like 100 transgender on his Instagram and on his TikTok account. So, I don't know what is going on, but it looks like the dog get hacked or whatever. But them say SkilliBeng a follow some transgender and, transmission as we call it. So, listen what some of them people have to say. And January, it's crazy how them the entertainer them, like, them are go the wrong way or them follow. But people listen to that clippings here and make me know what you think in the comment section, because this is so crazy.
Which one of y'all hack SkilliBeng profile and follow up beer transmission? Now, SkilliBeng fans, do not come at my neck. One of my mix-up minions brought this to my attention. They legit just commented on one of my videos that they went through SkilliBeng's follow list and a beer transmission in my follow. And I took myself and I went over there. He follows 146 people and about 100 of them and the foreign nice looking transmission them. Now, I don't know. Apparently, my mix-up minion thinks it's newsworthy. And since we can't message him because him DM them turn off, I'm going to tell you about SkilliBeng right now. Somebody hack your page, Skilly, and then follow up one bag of transmission to make you look bad. And if that's what you want and that's what you're into, chicks with X, you close your follow list because the people them are find out. Them are find you out. Well, yeah. That's that little bit of celebrity news for today.
Each his own. I can't tell a man how to live him life. But SkilliBeng page, I follow be a Batman, be a transformer. Yeah, SkilliBeng page. Uno go look. SkilliBeng page, I follow up a bag of transformer. The one they will put on breasts and change up themselves. A man them, bro. And a woman them. A man. Born a boy. It's a boy. Skilly. Me never really hear about you and woman. Me never see you with a woman yet. And like a lot of artists, me I notice some of when me not see with woman, brother. Me have a problem with that. Why you not have no woman? When I try to have secret relationship, and now your page come up with a bag of Batman. Skilly, me nah say, are you, me think this is a act. Because it's a act, them hack your page. Because them do it to IoTN page already. Where them taking page from Facebook and follow be a Batman and a chat to them. So this can be the same thing, but in a real life, me just never see you with a woman. Let's speak facts. When you got start, me never see Skilly with a woman yet when say I'm woman. Maybe me wrong, but anybody else can confirm that if me wrong. You don't see Skilly with woman. Skilly are a big artist, bro. Me not see you with woman. Me not see such man with woman. Me not see such man with woman. And me never see such man with woman. You don't know who me attack. You can't call name. A whole heap of artists there out here. We have some undercover, bro. Because we never see no with no woman yet. We never hear no woman a call pound a name. We never even hear a jacket a call pound a name. We don't even a pitney. No, man. Something a go wrong around here, so brother. Something a go wrong around here, bro. SkilliBeng. If I know you, make a report and make Facebook take that done. It no look good, brother. It no look good. Let Facebook take it done.
So people, this man Kevin here come out and I talk about SkilliBeng. Now, you might see a man who come up on internet, a vlog every day about Vybz Kartel and this and that about Vybz Kartel, like him love Vybz Kartel the most. People, tell me what you think about all of this we are going, because it's like a patakos keke. You can't talk about rare about the man. And you say you know, you never yet see the man with that woman or whatever. And also he's stating that such man, we don't know who is this such man him attack, but the only such man we always hear name a call a Vybz Kartel, them always a call such man. So me don't know what to think. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section, share your thought, and let's just go right into some other topics, people. Jaja.
Money then pussy. I work and suffer and walk from Bumbuckle at Stone Hill, go straight down half a tree, go work. Work and get some money, pussy, and stop bad mind. No fun. You know, some hot son, ugly or fuck, if you ever want young toad. I sing, nobody now listen to Valley. You see me? And God make a way, and me I do the thing now, and me still there, I do it. Bigger than ever. You see me, I say, and a man I got to talk about death. Eat burn me and fuck. I'm in a response when nobody wants it. If you eat my brother, don't look for me, don't see me, come in, nah, trouble you. I nah, meds you, because you can't stop my food. You go wish death, poor man. Bro, I worst thing that for a man wish for you, know. Me say, my mother called me, I say, mommy, me dey on the phone. What you talk about? But you're back to the EP, dog. People don't have to know some energy, bro, God. You go use me name, but bro, if I want to spend one girl in my bum buckle of money, if me have 50 lakh, my girl me go suck on the mother. Go viral about that to pussy. Go suck on the mother. Go no some blame them style. Go suck on the mother. Go look at bum.
Why people, me no know who I'm Valiant, you know. You make me know in the comment section if you don't have an idea, you know, because I won't be the one to be speculating and calling people name where me don't know who and them things. But Valiant has said some things, people, and boy, the things that I must say, it come like the dark in a sense, are in Bex about something, and as me say, it stated, people I wish death upon him and suffer, and they must say him do this, and he must do this from a longer time, and a long time he must try, and if he make it out in a life, and if man come bad mind him now, and I wish death upon him, it can't go so, and then at the same time, I must say he will defend himself to the end, but people remember know what they think in the comment section. So dancehall artist Flex was on a podcast and he was reflecting back on an altercation that him and selector Foota Hype had back in the days where him and him tussle up and gang get involved and so forth. But he must say some things, and he also stated that Bounty Killer got involved as well, and he called him on a phone and said, yo, if you start this, you know, from you start this, you have to go finish it, you know. So I'm going to play that clip in your phone, I want to listen it and tell me what you think about this thing, because I didn't know that Flex and Foota Hype did have a thing, a go on, and them fight in a party, so that's just crazy. This is new to me, but let me know what you guys think. Watch this and listen and let me know what you think.
See where you start? I hope you can finish it.
So me I play that song here for Vegas and Lexus. Cause you wanna put my name in a song, yeah?
Just I won't see me up with you. Ain't no solution by the line about cat to
Alone did stand up with Batman.
So when you go confront Foota, are you alone got there?
Yeah.
I'm alone see up there.
And the whole of them go over the side there though.
Be a top, Mr. Fling.
So when I look up, Zane, this is such man at forward. And then there was like a whole entourage behind him. You know, the whole I'm friend them behind him. I come towards where we there. And
when the fight, did you go on?
Just as it break up, man, and them separate
okay,
me and Foota, man. And so but then I look up, nigga, I panic because me see the whole shit I walk over.
And see a slew of man.
Yeah.
Walk up.
And I was like, fuck. And I didn't know what, but me just say, hey, I want to, hey, I want to do. See?
You say, major them call her pump fake. So you never have that.
I ain't got shit on me.
Me block.
I ain't got shit on me, yo. And when me do that now, you see my first man goes a boom and break up. And then everybody goes a brr, 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 brr. And then I just go so. And slide
diggity
through the crowd. And
yeah, as a car.
But by this though, my dog then will come towards me now. So when this happen now, I slide down and my virgin come and I say, what now? And I say, no. Yeah. My virgin them want to move forward now to the situation because by this now, them is me I say, and that shit happen so fast. You know what I say?
Quick.
They're not even.
Some of us and say, no.
Yeah.
No.
Not even know why.
So, and it's weird. Yeah, but so you're a different part of it. So when that one.
I won't now go.
Yo, what's so when that, and I swear to God, yo, man, I lie. I swear to God. Cause all of this shit funny to them. We can't laugh right now, you know. So when time the smoke clear now, my phone ring. When the smoke clear now, my phone ring. And then Predator.
The war editor.
Predator, so what the phone I said?
Lenny!
What go on? The Dan want to talk to you. I said, sure.
The Dan?
Yeah. Boom. You see where you start? I hope you can finish it.
Trust me, people, I never know that Foota Hype and Lexus did have some history together. when it comes to some fighting and altercation. I never know. I guess I really need to study my history like that because Jaja. So, them man a kick off back then and the man them a fighting a party people. You see how dancehall it stay back then. I know you don't really see them thing like that with artists and selector a war like that. You don't know the Kartel them and the Moada and the whole of them back then usually have them look at thing there. But Jaja people, me never know. Say I saw the man them did go to works back in the days. I thought Foota Hype was like a soft soap. You know, see Foota Hype, a thump up, a Lexus him a thump up, you know, so him and Lexus catch up. Yo people, Jaja, it's crazy. So after Fantan Mojah came out and declared his innocence, a lot of people came out and I said, Jaja, them can't believe, say, people spread such rumor upon the DJ name because them never see Fantan Mojah as that type of person. And as I stated in my other review, you know, say, sometimes you can't judge a book by its cover. But again, these are some of the guys that speak some positive message out there and spread goodness and good vibration. So if you look upon it and see, say, or hear, say, Fantan Mojah have some form of involved as it comes to Jamaison's son. It's just crazy. So me have some clippings I play with some people and they must say, yo, them can't believe, say, yo, them spread them rumor upon the DJ, Jaja.
Yo, me say from Evelyn, me I watch be a vlog, be a TikTok and them thing there. And me see Fantan Mojah come out and attack. And the man have to say something. The man say, you know me from a long time, you ever hear me mix up in a nothing like this yet. But the whole of the blogger them I run with it. The man say, cease and desist because someone can get lawsuit. Me I go show no what I go on now. You see enough of them blogger and them TikToker ya, when you hear some story and you jump go call up people name bad man, cause two local people come on the internet, the people not even show them face bad man. And everybody I run with the story, brother. You know Fantan Mojah all long dog, and you never hear the man mix up in a not analyze in nothing at all. Never hear the man there. The man even two in the media bad man. Me I tell you never two see the man in the media, bro. But everybody ready for jump and fling the man under the bus through a TikTok live. Anybody could have done on the live, you know, and attack anything, you know, and I set up the man, you know. All people when I like the man, you know, me I go show you this, brother. I see him where look how much positive me push. I see him where you gonna get up and hear one story about me tomorrow morning and the whole of just start beating my bad, brother. Cause I see me make video over here, me attack on certain things and when I listen for hear what me I say, you know, me see people ready to start jump and beat people bad. All some people in the comment section. Some people just they are wait for some bad news for your charge. Them just want to hear something bad boy, yeah, them just run with it. And them nah go run with the good news, brother. You so no quick for throw the man under the bus, you never hear say Fantan Mojah and Jamaison have nothing yet. You never hear say the man them a fire shut off for them or another yet. You never hear say the man them a war with them or another yet. But as you hear two local man come on one live and attack and I call up my name, every blogger have it a run with, brother. I see it on every blog on YouTube you go up and you see it on, brother. And you don't know if the man them ever have not yet. You don't know Fantan Mojah is a bad person, bad man. But you not ready for throw the man under the bus, bad man. Support is something for make the man get unalive. The man good all dead and I know where him dead for. Me nah say nothing go so, me nah say no go so. But sometimes when some things happen, charge you can humble yourself and listen first. And everything you for jump on. Cause see him where much man drop out and you hear how much man kill them, and when you check it out and them are the killer. Sometimes the killer are the man where you eat and sleep and drink with your bad man. You have to ease on yourself, man, and stop jumping and ready for throw people under the bus, bro. Cause you can put people life in a danger, killer. I'm not say Fantan Mojah innocent, I'm not saying guilty. I'm not say me don't know what go down. All me have to do is sit down and wait, cause watching why in dark must come in like bad man. And that me I say, brother. You have to stop jumping and throw people under the bus, brother.
So chat, shalom. Them say youth were dead when they upon live when he in Baba's King. They say a Jamaison son Zine, R.I.P. to that youth, the Jamaison, the whole family. You see me I deal with. But me see some bloggers I say a Fantan Mojah. Well now me try mix up a Rasta them against the Rasta them. Una have solid truth. Una run with them fucker there. Una have solid truth. Cut them fucker them man on top man. Una go on like you want set up the rest of them against the rest of them. You hear that? Shalom man. On the dirty bloggers man. And if you come down. Yeah. We don't know Fantan Mojah is not killer. We know them man they has some article singers, reggae singers out here. So no stop them fucker there.
So yeah, people, some TikTokers come out, you know, and a different thing for Fantan Mojah and I say, yo, don't spread no rumor upon the DJ because them don't know the DJ as that. But we are get to the end of the vlog and all I want to make sure you do a like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell. And know I go already, man. A Vybz and Inside with another one. Mad thing. I'm out. Peace.